Thanks for tuning in. Today we will do a quick unboxing for this DJI Mavic 2 Pro and 5 more combo kit. We just arrived, so we will do a unboxing and spec check. First of all, we will unbox the aircraft first. So the box is same as this Mavic 2 Zoom. They have a plastic, so we need to remove the plastic first. Actually, all is the same with a Mavic 2 Zoom. The only thing different is that this camera so we need to cut off this sticker. So we take out all the component out. So the aircraft with this Hasselblad camera 1-inch sensor, and then the remote control. So they have 3 boxes, and then inside is empty. So we see inside the boxes, this is a charger, the power cord, charging adapter, so the second box inside have extra propellers, so same as Mavic 2 Zoom. They come with 3 pair. And this is a user menu for Mavic 2 Pro. And then this box is the USB cable for this remote control, and then USB Type-C cable. So this is USB Type-C convert to micro USB cable adapter, and this is a extra joystick. So if you are just brought a standard version, they will only come with 1 battery, and this is the package for the standard one. So battery, remote control 67%, and they already pre-installed this iOS cable So inside do have a remote control joystick. So this video I will not go through all the details. I will just do a quick unboxing and a spec check. And this is a hazard brake. So the new battery is empty. We need to charge. So everything, the aircraft exactly with the zoom version. Only different is that 1-inch sensor. So as you can see, the camera lens. The 3-axis gimbal. So we put on the side. And then we will do a unbox for this 5 more combo kit. So here is the 5 more combo kit. They also label the plastic cover. So we need to open up. So the 5 more combo kit comes with this bag to store your aircraft. So the case also same as a zoom version. Nothing different. So here is the extra propellers. Inside have 2 boxes, and then the battery is inside. Extra 2 more battery. So nothing more. And the extra battery also is empty. We need to charge. So we open up the boxes and see inside. So this is an in-car charger. So I would prefer if you are purchasing this Mavic 2, you should purchase with a 5 more combo kit. because one battery is not enough for a flight time. This is the back strap. This is a battery charging hub. You can charge 4 battery. So very useful. And then this is a connector to allow you use this, connect to your battery and do it like a power bank to charge your phone or your controller or other devices. So basically the 5 more combo case, all the accessory you already included, so you no need to purchase other accessory as well. Only thing they are not coming with this filter. You have to purchase optional. So we will do a quick test for upcoming video. We need to do a charge this aircraft battery first, and then do the update latest firmware. Thank you for watching.